Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, MP3, blind spot monitor, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. You are going to love the 2019 Elantra. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, security system, MP3 player, lane departure warning. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.